Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Travelodge by Wyndham Pendleton OR. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Just 10 minutes walk from Pendleton Roundup Hall of Fame, this Oregon motel offers a continental breakfast. Laundry facilities is located on site. Free Wi-Fi is included in all guest rooms. Each room with attached bathroom at Travelodge Pendleton features a flat-screen 32 inches cable TV. All bright guest accommodations are equipped with tea and coffee making facilities. A fridge and microwave are included. A 24-hour reception is offered at Pendleton Travelodge. A business center complete with fax and photocopying services is available. Vending machines featuring snacks and drinks are located on site. Free parking with plenty of space for large trucks is available. Pendleton Underground Tours and Children's Museum of East are under 5 minutes walk from this motel. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.